The new file method will unconditionally clear the text area, but it will first give the user the option of saving the document if there's anything that needs to be saved. For now, the only condition we'll use is whether the document is empty or not. If it's not empty, we'll display a confirm dialog box, and if the answer is yes, we'll call the SaveFile method. For the next line, we need to declare a new string field in the class, which will hold the path to our currently opened file. When the new file method is called, this field will be reset to null in order to flag that the new document doesn't have a file path. The OpenFile method will require an OpenFile dialog box, so let's bring up the inspector in order to add one. In this window, right-click on Other Components and add a File Chooser dialog, which we'll rename to dfile. We can now use this component to display an OpenFile dialog box. If the user doesn't hit cancel, this method returns the approve option. Otherwise, we'll just exit from here. Next, clear the current document with a call to new file. We then need to read the file, which this function will delegate to a new method called open. If this method throws an error, we'll catch it and display it to the user. The open method will read the file in the location of the string using a buffered file reader. Before we read it, however, we need to grab the system-dependent line separator, since the readLine method strips out the new lines. Now loop through the lines one at a time and add them to the text area, followed by the line separator, until we get to the end of the buffer. Then close the reader and set the file path to the new location.